what is angles? So angle is formed by two lines. Okay, so angle forms to two angles. So what are the angles are there? We have so many angles. First one is the right angle. Okay, and second one is acute angle, obtuse angle, and straight angle. So we have so many angles. Okay, so now we will see our simple angles. Okay, what are the simple four angles? Okay, shall we see the type now? Yes. Okay, so see this. What is this? It's a line, isn't it? Yes. Here how many lines is there? Two lines is there, isn't it? We have two lines. So what is mean by straight line angle? Okay, or what is mean by straight angle? First you have to look at here. This is your straight angle. Okay. Okay. So how we are saying this is straight angle? How you are saying this? Just take your protractor. Okay, take your protractor and measure it. Okay, so how many degrees is there? 180, isn't it? 180. Okay, so that is your straight angle. Okay, and next one is we want to show the acute angle. It look like a crocodile mouth, isn't it? Yes. So this is your acute angle. Why we are calling this acute angle? Because it's a less than 90 degree. Okay. Okay, that's why we are calling this acute angle. So when we are calling acute angle, so it is have less than 90 degree. We will call this acute angle. Okay. Yes. Now come to your straight angle. I mean right angle. Okay. Yes, this is your right angle. Okay. Why we are calling this right angle? Because it's make 90 degree. Okay. Can I take this protractor and measure it? Can you come to close? Yes. How many degrees are there? So, what is different between line and ray? What is the difference? What is the difference, Sajan? Yes. Listen, a line always ended with 2 points. Okay, a line always ended with 2 points. Suppose we are calling this A and B. So this line ended with how many points? 2 points. First one is A and the second one is B. Okay, so that's why we are calling this line. Okay, but your ray is not ended to 2 points. Okay, so first one here A point is there, but what happened here? This arrow mark mention is the line is going on. Okay, so the ray is not ended to 2 points. Only 1 point we have started and another point is going on. So that's why we are calling this ray. Okay. So what is the difference between line and ray? Tell me now. Arrow mark. Okay. So again I will tell you, the line always have A points and B points. So it's ended with only 2 points. Okay. That's why we are calling this line. And next one is The ray is started to one point and it's going on to another lines. Okay, it's going on, it's not ended to any points. It is ended, we are saying that line. Okay, but what is ray? The ray is started to one point and another points will going on. Okay, okay Sachin, have you understood? Okay, so here I am having one equilateral triangle and one right angle triangle. Okay, so can you able to measure degrees in this triangles? Can you able to measure? Or how to measure this triangle? Okay, can you show your triangle now? Very good, super Sanjan. Now you just take your protector. Okay, yes, yes. Okay.